Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this very easy rainbow eye makeup look. This only needs you to blend your eyeshadow. I'm just gonna show that this has all the 7 colors necessary for the rainbow, and I haven't applied any false lashes since I'm having fever due to my vaccination. So let's get started with our video. First I'm gonna take a yellow color and I'm going to place it on my inner portion of the lid. Then I'm going to take an orange shade and I'm going to place it on the middle of my eyelid. We are not going to go high up, and I'm going to intensify the color little by little. And once you do this, you need to make sure that you blend 2 colors very well. Then I'm going to take the red shade and I'm going to apply after the orange shade. So these 3 shades are in my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to blend it on my crease so that it fades out and looks very blended. The key to a good eyeshadow is blending. So if you blend it properly, it looks very it doesn't look harsh on our eyes. Next I've taken a green pencil and I'm going to place it in the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line, and then I've taken a blue pencil and I'll apply it in the middle, and with the help of a purple shade I have applied in the outer section. Now I will take an eyeliner and I'll do a normal regular wing eyeliner, a very small one, and I've also highlighted my inner corner with the help of a sparkly green shade. For the inner corners you can always apply shades that you really love. And now I'm applying some mascara to finish off the look. As you can see, this is very simple and easy to create. I would like to encourage you to recreate this look. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone area with some highlighter from Wet n Wild. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, then don't forget to like and comment on this video, and if you want you can also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, bye.